Precision woodworking starts with flat edges, straight faces, and dependable tools that transform rough lumber into clean, accurate stock for furniture, cabinetry, and shop projects. Best wood jointers deliver power, stability, and smooth cuts that elevate results and workflow efficiency. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WEN JT630H Wood Jointer. The WEN JT630H Wood Jointer is an excellent choice for hobbyists and small shop woodworkers seeking precision and efficiency in a compact benchtop model. Its standout feature is the spiral cutter head system, which uses 12 staggered high-speed steel (HSS) blades to deliver an ultra-fine, smooth finish on every pass. Whether you're jointing rough lumber or refining edges, the spiral cutter head minimizes tear out and leaves surfaces ready for finishing. The 30 by 6-inch table provides ample working space for handling medium-sized boards, and it is paired with a 19 3/4 by 4¼ adjustable fence that bevels up to 45 degrees, offering versatility for a variety of woodworking angles. Material removal is precise, with the ability to remove up to 1/8 of an inch per pass, which allows for controlled, gradual shaping without overcutting. The WEN JT630H is designed with stability in mind, keeping board steady during cuts while reducing chatter. Number 2. Cutech 401-120HI Wood Jointer. The Cutech 401-120HI Wood Jointer sets itself apart with its high-end spiral cutter head, featuring 6 rows of staggered tungsten carbide inserts for an exceptionally smooth and efficient cut. The use of 2-sided inserts ensures proper alignment while preventing skewing during planing, which translates to highly precise, clean edges and surfaces. Backed by a powerful 12-amp motor, this benchtop jointer handles aggressive cuts effortlessly while maintaining a low amp draw, making it efficient and reliable for prolonged use. The 24 by 6-inch cast iron fence is adjustable and includes quick stops at 90 degrees and 135 degrees, allowing for versatile jointing and beveling options. Additional enhancements, such as taller fence brackets and an added guidepost, ensure table consistency and increased stabilization for larger workpieces. An extra support rod system strengthens the frame, providing a solid base for heavy-duty materials. Number 3. Wahuda 12-amp Wood Jointer. The Wahuda 12-amp Wood Jointer is designed to deliver accurate, smooth results for small workshops or job sites where mobility and performance are both essential. Its 4-sided carbide inserts in the spiral cutter head provide sharp, quiet, and precise cuts, allowing you to flatten, edge, or taper a wide range of wood types with minimal tear out. The jointer is powered by a 120V 12,000 revolutions per minute motor, providing steady performance for both softwoods and harder, figured woods. Its adjustable and expandable cast iron tables improve stability, especially when handling longer boards, while the tilting fence offers flexibility with angles of 90 degrees and 135 degrees for jointing and beveling tasks. Wahuda offers multiple size options, including 6-, 8-, and 10-inch jointers, accommodating various workspace sizes and project requirements. Number 4. VEVOR 2HP Wood Jointer. The VEVOR 2HP Wood Jointer is a robust benchtop machine that excels in smoothness, precision, and compact design. Its 12-blade spiral cutter head ensures exceptionally fine finishes while reducing the frequency of blade maintenance, making it suitable for long-term use across softwoods and hardwoods alike. Powered by a 2 HP motor with speeds up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, it can effortlessly handle aggressive cuts while maintaining consistent performance. The compact 6 by 23-inch design makes it ideal for small studios, home workshops, or spaces where floor space is limited, without sacrificing the cutting capabilities needed for a variety of projects. The fence is adjustable, and material removal ranges from 0 to 1/8 inch per pass, allowing precise control for jointing, edge flattening, and customized woodworking tasks. An integrated dust port facilitates quick and efficient cleanup, keeping workspaces tidy and safe while connecting to standard vacuum systems. Number 5. iGooo DJ710 Wood Jointer. The iGooo DJ710 Wood Jointer is designed for precision jointing and accurate angled cuts, making it suitable for detailed woodworking projects and professional use. Its double and single drilling capability allows for fast and accurate jointing, with variable drill depth settings up to 38 millimeters to meet specific project requirements. The calibrated viewer ensures precise setup, and the precision rack and pinion system allows smooth, reliable adjustment for material thickness between 10 and 43 millimeters. The fence adjusts from 0 to 90 degrees, offering flexibility for angled joints and beveling tasks. Dust management is also considered, with a port that enables connection to an extraction system for a cleaner and safer working environment. This jointer combines functional versatility with user-friendly operation, ensuring that even complex jointing or edge preparation tasks are manageable. Choosing the right wood jointer can transform your woodworking projects, making edges straighter, surfaces smoother, and assembly stronger. With the right balance of power, accuracy, and durability, these tools help you work smarter and achieve professional quality results every time, turning every piece of wood into a masterpiece.